What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech with Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. My name's Ricky. We have a free group. It's called Tech with Solutions. And if you guys don't know who it is or what it is that I am, we have a little bit over 100,000 subscribers. We just broke 114,000. Thank you guys again for that. But what I am here to talk about is this giveaway that we're doing. So let me go ahead and pause this. Boom, boom. There we go. And I should be able to see everything right now. All right, there we go. So I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Saturday. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. I simply want to talk about kind of like what the giveaway is, what the plan is, and even if you don't end up winning that, I can promise you, ultimately, I hope that everyone walks away kind of feeling like a winner. So I know that sounds like super corny and stuff like that, but let's go ahead and get right to it. So we have a free group. It's called Tech with Solutions, and if you like surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, I would encourage you to click that third link in the description. And we simply talk about, we have a little bit over 80,000 members, and it's a networking platform. So we share ideas on how it is, that we see success in different markets. So the main market that we excel in is investing in the stock market, right? But we buy and resell cars. I just bought a McLaren 570S, and that might have been like the ad that you would have seen. But I've also, talked about my experience when it comes down to buying rental properties and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to be in the position to, do this giveaway. There's three things, right? So what is the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library? And I quickly wanted to showcase what it is that we offer, and everything that it's going to include. So I want to thank first all those that are joining us live. I want to dedicate just a couple seconds to say what's up to you guys. So what's going on, Carlos? What's going on, Alvin, Andrew, Donnie, Donna, Anna, Carlos, Mahir, Levi, NGB Productions. What's going on? Mercy, Steve. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. So you see what you guys ended at? Yeah, we ended up green. So again, it's what patience comes with, right? So, oh man, we have quite a bit of people joining. oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you guys again so much for your time. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. I'm going to show you what the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library has to offer. But before I show you the content, right? So it gives you a lifetime access to this video lesson library. So how is this different than my YouTube videos? So the really cool thing about this is that it gets straight to the point. My YouTube videos, I kind of go off on tangents sometimes. And I think when it comes down to opportunity cost, I wanted to create a lesson library where people can learn step by step from the very basics to the very mechanics of what it is that I know about the stock market and how it is that it has led to my success. And that's exactly what the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library does. And as I continue to develop as a trader, I continue to add to the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library. I recently just added a new section that was the ETF section. And because the reason that I added that was because I have not taken I have not closed one red position this entire year. Obviously, it's barely about to be the end of February. It's not anything extravagant, but one thing that we take very core to what it is that we do within Learn, Plan, Profit is consistency. And what do I mean by that? So we only invest in quality stocks. We invest in stuff that is actively trending up, stocks and ETFs, and we make sure that we always manage our risk and that we understand the overall patterns that we're investing in. And you guys might be asking, well, how is it that we do this? How is it different than any other group? Even with a couple thousand members that we have within the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, every single day, Monday through Friday, at market open, wherever it is that you are within the United States, you get access to our private group chat and you get to speak to me on a daily basis. You get to ask me your questions. No, I'm not going to tell you where to buy. No, I'm not going to tell you where to sell. I'm not going to tell you where to cut your losses. I'm going to, if you want to run a stock past me, I am there to give you my own 2 cents and what it is that I would do. Right? If you're about to take a position and you don't, and you might see value in it, you could just run it past me and I can give you my own 2 cents. If you tune in live, the live stream, the Q&A chats used to just be 30 minutes. They're about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes now because we have so much fun within the chats. And I swear, I enjoy every single second. You can ask, even the people that are in the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library are joining us live right now. And the reason why is because if they commented profit and we pick them, then they just get a refund on what it is that they paid. And I want to remind you guys that even if you don't end up winning and we do a future giveaway and you enroll in the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, we'll give you a refund. And that's what I want to encourage you guys to do is don't be scared. I really hope that you guys, enjoy this. So I'm going to start sharing my screen and I want to show you guys what it is that it has to offer. So boom, boom, boom. So this is the lesson library, right? So when you gain access to it, this is something that you would see. And you can click like sign up. You would get access to the chat and everything that it has to offer. It talks to you very quickly and explains to you, when we have our daily Q&A chats and stuff like that. So I'll actually show you. This is the private chat. We have the announcement sections, the trade ideas. So in the announcement sections, you can see that there's a series of like, brokerage lists and information, ETF resources, scan criteria, a series of stocks, and the different Excel sheets and call out formats. We are very organized. There's a series of group alerts that everyone posts in a certain format. And the really cool thing about this is if you're having difficulty finding a good quality stock, then you have thousands of members that are sharing their top pick every single week, 1 or 2 stocks in this set criteria. It makes it very effective and very efficient. We have the profit section, we have the trade idea section, and that's normally where it is that I post. Q&A section, so you can just tag me here and then I usually answer your question, or you can direct message me. And then you also have the main chat. So while we're doing the Q&A chat, so this is the voice channel, you have the opportunity or you have the just the option of asking me any questions. And again, that usually gets filled up at market open, and we have that conversation. So it talks to you about the basics. It's a little bit under 2 hours of information, and I've already covered this. So if you saw the video that I talked about when it came down to what's included in it, you would have seen what's included in that. But looking a little bit more into it, let's go ahead and take a step back. It gets to the mechanics of trading, the best indicators and best practices, mindset for success. What are bonus videos? The bonus videos, you can see it's a little bit under 2 hours. I talk about 2 other markets, how it is that I bought my first house at age 20, and the buying and reselling of cars. I give you a very quick step-by-step process on what it is that I've done that has led to my success in that market. I also provide you a PDF copy of a brokerage list. Chart studies, I continue to add to this. So the SMA indicator, the VWAP indicator for intraday plays. Hotkeys, if any of you guys are using TD Ameritrade. A swing trading section, because if you're a full-time student or a full-time worker, day trading might not be an option. And swing trading is something that we excel in. Again, that's something that we've done time after time. Not only day trading, but swing trading is a huge part of Learn, Plan, Profit, because we want to make sure that we promote long-term and consistent growth. And that's exactly what I, show step-by-step, the resources, the 6 golden steps. Some of you guys might have seen that video already, the ideal swing trade, and what is that, when to know, the patterns to look for and when to know what to buy. This is, I think, the thing that, the section that people have enjoyed the most, and it's the ETF section, intro to ETF, how to create your watch list, and just all the information that you need to know, the patterns to look for, the resources that you need to know on how it is to find those ETFs, and then how to take advantage of those set opportunities and that risk management. And then I talk about the swing trades and day trades and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the course, and I continue to add to it time after time. And I know you guys are probably like, Ricky, just shut up and let's start doing the giveaway. So let's see. So you guys don't have to comment profit here. You guys only have to comment profit on that Facebook video. So you guys are good. So what it is that I'm going to do is now I'm just going to start talking about. So please, even after I announce, I'm going to announce 3 winners today, and I'm going to announce a following 2 winners, and that's going to be on, Sunday, for our Sunday Stock Talk. So I really want to just remind you guys that you guys should stay tuned till even after we announce the winners, because I can promise you, if you want to work with me, right? If you like the way that I've been trading, the way that if you have watched any of my other videos, which I would encourage you to do if you haven't done so already, you're going to want to stay till the very end of the video. So let's go ahead and go here. Let me just make sure that I'm sharing my screen. All right, there we go. And I'm going to go to red here, boom, pick winner. And what is it that we're going to do? We're going to enter by commenting. Perfect. All right. The first winner is, I want to see what people are, I want you guys to be able to see. Let's see. Let me make this a little bit smaller. There we go. All right. If you guys are watching live, I need you guys to smash that like button. So let me go ahead and see it. Once you guys give the video a like, let me know in the chat. Let's see. Profit. I like it. Let me see those likes. We just have, like, smash. Okay, Google. Play Gucci Gang.
All right, Gucci Gang by Lil Pump.
You guys ready?
Playing on Spotify.
All right, so the first winner for the Learn Plan Profit Scholarship is... we got Sanika Penn. All right. Congratulations, Sanika. Okay, Google. Pause. All right, that is the first winner for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library. Let's go ahead and see if we have another winner. Drum roll, please. Abdul Karimi, you are the second winner for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library. And the last winner for today, we're going to announce 2 more on Sunday, but the last winner for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, Shake Your Money Maker. All right, we have to play it again, so let's play another song. What's another good song? Okay, Google, play Boss.
Sure, Boss by Lil Pump. Here it is on Spotify.
All right, the last winner. Who do you guys think it's going to be?
Yeah.
Last winner.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ready, guys? Okay, Google. Pause. Marco Padilla. These are the 3 winners. I am going to have my team message you, so I'm going to screenshot this. So the winners for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library today. There we go. So Marco Padilla, Abdul Karimi, and then Sanika Penn. I know. So these are the 3 winners that we have as of today. All right. So we have a couple people that are a little upset. And let me message my team real quick. Let's see. Let me just make sure everything is set. Oh. Okay. That's not you. Oh, all right, guys. So we're still going to be announcing 2 winners. And all I want to encourage you guys to do is for the next... all right, here we go. Let me see what the promo code is. Okay, so for all those that are interested, first of all, I want to thank you guys all for your time, right? You guys taking time. The whole is... Okay, so obviously, right, if you didn't win the giveaway, that's one thing. You still have... Ricardo! So he's a little upset. He's like, he says he never wins anything. I never... Oh, my goodness. Come on, guys. All right. But, I'm still going to be uploading videos on YouTube, and I still want to, if there's anything that I can do to really guide you guys in the right direction, let me know. But just for all those that didn't necessarily win for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library giveaway, we're still going to be announcing 2 winners. So for all those that enroll in the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, again, the first link in the description. All right, so Blake just told me that the promo code is going to be BOOM18. So BOOM18, and you will save $100 off the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library. And let's get this straight. Even if you win on Sunday, let's say you end up purchasing the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, even if you win on Sunday, we will refund you what it is that you paid. I can promise you that. So BOOM18, you will save $100 off the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library till midnight tonight, Eastern Standard Time. So wherever it is that might be around the world. So $100 off for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library until midnight. I just want to thank you guys again for your time, for your hard work. If you guys would like to speak to me and work with me on a daily basis, I would love to be a part of your success. There's no question about that. Not only do we cover, investing in the stock market, which is the core of our course, but I'm also willing to talk to you about how it is that I purchased my first house and how it is that I buy and resell cars when it comes down to that specific niche. So there we go. There we go. All right, guys. And then if you guys have any questions, feel free to direct message me within the TechBud Solutions Discord chat. And I would be more than happy to answer them. I'm going to spend about 30 minutes to an hour responding to people via direct messages. If you guys have any issues or anything like that enrolling in the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, feel free to let me know. Altogether, my goal I want you guys to understand for each and every single one of you is just like you guessed today. So regardless if let's say you're watching this video and we no longer have the promo, we're talking about like $100, right? Although I know that is a pretty decent amount of money, but when it comes down to the big picture, I am here to guide you in the right direction. I'm going to be speaking to you on a daily basis, and I want to make sure that we focus on the top quality stocks. And I want to remind you guys how important it is to take action if you want to see some form of success. It doesn't mean that you have to enroll in the lesson library. I'm just saying ultimately, I would be more than happy to assist you throughout this whole process, expedite the process. And that's the whole thing. You know, when I started, I didn't have anyone to really guide me in the right direction. My dad, obviously not very computer savvy, wasn't someone that could guide me in the right direction when it came down to this market. And that's what, you know, made me kind of like, made this take a little bit longer than, or made me take a little bit longer to actually learn how to do this successfully and consistently. And just to show you real quick, I want to show you for those that are enrolled in the Learn Plan Profit lesson library, we can go right here to the little profit section, and you, what is this after that? Okay, well this is actually a pretty good picture. So it says like, you know, before Ricky's training, it shows like, let's see. Oh, there we go. So a couple more green days than red days. That's pretty good. I believe we got like, I went this right here, $756 profit. This is all today, by the way. These are just people within our Learn Plan Profit lesson library. It's all about consistency, and that's essentially what we focus on with everything it is that we do. If you're simulation trading, if you're paper trading, if you're investing with real money, you know, ultimately I want you guys to know that my goal is to remind you how important it is to be consistent and a successful trader, even at the worst, right? Even at our worst. So for example, like today, UGAZ was down and everyone thought it was like the end of the world, right? But when it comes down to the overall position on how it had this sell-off and how it ended up, how it had this sell-off and then ended up recovering, I reminded people how important it is to actually cover profits. And that's what I want you guys to know, that I'm going to be there on your back, making sure that you are reminded every single day how important it is, you know, to lock in profits, because you know that's the whole thing. I want to be that backbone and that structure that not a lot of people have. So thank you guys again so much for your time. If you guys can't, I mean, I 100% understand that not everyone's going to be able to enroll in the course, right? There's no question about that. We have a free group, and maybe you can watch a couple of our videos, and if you would like to join us later on, then so be it. I just wanted to offer you guys a promo for your guys' time and for your guys' hard work. I would love to work with you, and that's it. So thank you guys again so much for your time. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives in your success, and I truly hope that you guys all have an amazing and safe weekend. We'll see you guys during our Sunday stock talk. Let me know in the comments section if I should do some funny pranks with my McLaren 5.7. I just got the GTR back. Man, those tires were expensive. So I hope that you guys all take it easy. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Okay, Google, play Gucci Gang.
All right, Gucci Gang by Lil Pump. Playing on Spotify.
Thank you guys. Take it easy, team.